Have you ever felt like there's something incredible inside you that hasn't been discovered yet? That quiet voice that whispers, "You can do more. You can be more." It's not lying. Every person carries hidden potential, but most never learn how to truly unlock it. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't often comes down to one thing: the courage to explore what's buried deep within. Unlocking your hidden potential isn't about becoming someone else. It's about uncovering the version of yourself that's been waiting to emerge. The power, creativity, and drive you need are already inside you. Your job is to wake them up. Before we continue, take a second to imagine your best self, the one who's confident, capable, and unstoppable. That version of you is not a fantasy. It's a reality waiting to be revealed. Stay till the end of this journey. And if you enjoy this kind of self-growth talk, make sure to subscribe and join our community of people striving to become their best selves. The first step to unlocking your potential is awareness. You can't change what you don't understand. Take time to look inward. Ask yourself honest questions. What are my strengths? What fears hold me back? What do I truly want? Awareness is the foundation of transformation. Many people underestimate the power of mindset. Your thoughts create your reality. If you constantly tell yourself you can't do something, your mind will make that true. But if you shift that thought to "I will find a way," your brain starts working to prove it right. Growth begins where comfort ends. The reason many never reach their potential is that they're too comfortable with where they are. True growth requires discomfort. It's the price of progress. Every challenge is a sign that you're stretching beyond your limits. To unlock what's hidden, you need to embrace failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's the path to it. Every mistake teaches you something new about your capabilities. Those who learn from failure grow faster than those who avoid it. Self-belief is your most powerful weapon. The world will doubt you. People will underestimate you. But if you believe in yourself even when no one else does, nothing can truly stop you. Confidence grows with every small victory. Discipline turns potential into power. Talent is only the spark. Discipline is the fire that keeps it alive. Success doesn't come from what you do. Occasionally it comes from what you do consistently, even when you don't feel like it. Visualization is another secret to unlocking potential. When you picture your goals vividly, seeing, feeling, and believing them, your subconscious starts working toward them. What the mind can see, the body can achieve. Don't compare your journey with others. Everyone has their own timeline, strengths, and struggles. Comparing yourself to others steals focus from what you can control: your growth, your effort, your evolution. Gratitude might seem unrelated, but it's one of the most powerful forces in self-development. When you focus on what you already have, you create an energy of abundance that attracts more opportunities and success. Fear is often the gatekeeper of potential. Most people turn back when they feel fear, but the truth is, fear is a signal that you're heading in the right direction. The bigger the fear, the greater the breakthrough waiting behind it. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment shapes your energy, thoughts, and habits. If you spend time with dreamers, doers, and believers, you'll naturally begin to level up too. Learn something new every day. Knowledge expands your mind. And with each new skill or insight, your potential grows stronger. The moment you stop learning, you start shrinking. Take responsibility for your life. Blaming others or your past only keeps you stuck. The day you take full ownership is the day you begin to unlock your power. Patience is essential. Growth doesn't happen overnight. Seeds take time to grow, and so do dreams. Consistency plus time equals transformation. Your body holds potential too. Exercise, rest, and nutrition directly affect your energy, confidence, and creativity. Treat your body like a partner in your success. Journaling is a hidden gem in self-growth. Writing your thoughts, goals, and fears helps you understand yourself deeply. The more clarity you gain, the more control you have. Never underestimate the power of positive habits. Small daily actions like reading, meditating, or reflecting build the foundation for massive success. Unlocking potential requires courage. You must be willing to take risks, speak up, and stand out. Greatness never grows in silence or safety. Let go of the need for perfection. Waiting for the perfect time or plan keeps your potential locked away. Start now, even if it's messy. Progress is better than perfection. Focus on progress, not speed. Growth isn't about how fast you move, but how far you go over time. Each step forward, no matter how small, is momentum. Listen to your intuition. Deep down, you already know what you need to do. Your inner voice often points you toward your true potential if you're willing to listen. Don't let your past define your future. Mistakes, regrets, or failures aren't roadblocks, they're lessons. Use them as fuel, not chains. Set powerful goals. Clear, meaningful goals act as a map guiding your energy and decisions. When you have direction, your potential has purpose. Challenge your limits regularly. Every time you push beyond what you thought possible, you expand your potential. Growth lives in the moments of discomfort. Silence your inner critic. That voice saying you're not good enough is not your truth, it's your fear talking. Replace it with affirmations of power and capability. Learn to focus deeply. In a distracted world, focus is your superpower. The more you can concentrate on one goal, the faster you unlock your true potential. Don't wait for motivation, create it. Action generates momentum, and momentum fuels motivation. Start small and keep moving. Keep promises to yourself. Every time you follow through, your confidence strengthens. Self-trust is the foundation of personal power. Be curious. Curiosity keeps your mind open and flexible. When you explore new ideas, you discover abilities you never knew you had. Visualize success, but also visualize the process. See yourself working, struggling, learning, and growing. That prepares your mind to handle challenges with confidence. Find your why. When your goals connect to something meaningful, your energy becomes unstoppable. Purpose fuels persistence. Forgive yourself. You can't grow if you're chained to guilt or regret. Forgiveness clears emotional space for new beginnings. Take breaks when needed. Rest is part of growth. Pushing without pause leads to burnout, not brilliance. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Recognizing progress builds confidence and reinforces your commitment to growth. Develop resilience. Life will test you. Success depends on how you respond. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Seek feedback. Others can often see blind spots you can't. Constructive criticism helps refine your skills and expand your abilities. Stop overthinking. Analysis paralysis kills potential. Sometimes you just need to act, learn, and adjust along the way. Use affirmations to reprogram your mind. Simple phrases like "I am capable" or "I am growing" train your subconscious to support your goals. Practice mindfulness. Being fully present increases self-awareness, focus, and clarity, all key ingredients for unlocking potential. Let go of toxic habits and relationships. Anything that drains your energy blocks your potential. Protect your peace and your purpose. Dream big but start small. Big dreams need small daily actions. Every step forward brings you closer to unlocking who you're meant to be. Face rejection boldly. Each no brings you closer to a yes. Rejection isn't failure, it's redirection. Embrace challenges. They're not punishments, they're opportunities to reveal your strength. The harder the challenge, the greater the reward. Speak kindly to yourself. The words you use shape your reality. Self-love isn't weakness, it's the key to unlocking your confidence. Never stop reinventing yourself. Growth means shedding old versions of you to make room for new strengths. Be adaptable. Change is constant. The more flexible you are, the more power you have to evolve. Trust the journey. Even when you can't see progress, know that every effort counts. Growth often happens silently before it becomes visible. Seek inspiration daily. Read, listen, or watch something that fuels your motivation. Inspiration keeps the fire inside you alive. Don't rush success. Fast success fades. Steady success lasts. The longer the journey, the stronger the foundation. Focus on contribution, not just achievement. When you use your potential to help others, your fulfillment grows even deeper. Believe that you are capable of more because you are. Every dream, every talent, every idea within you has purpose. You were not created to live small. The journey to unlocking your hidden potential never truly ends. With every new level of growth, another layer of strength, creativity, and power emerges. Keep learning, keep pushing, and most importantly, keep believing that your best is still ahead of you.